friends, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to show you today the easiest way to make brine for any type of meat. Whether you're roasting, grilling, or smoking, it makes meat juicy and tender. To make brine, I always like to use plastic container with an airtight seal. If you don't have one, you can use any glass dish or metal pot. As long as it's safe, can be sealed tightly, and easily can fit into your fridge. Any dish will work just fine, as long as it's not a wooden one. I wouldn't recommend wooden one for raw meat. This brine is simple and requires basic ingredients. Limes and lemons can be substituted for oranges. Start by dissolving salt in cold filtered water. Pour into dish or a pot and place clean uncooked bird into dish. Pour the rest of the water to cover bird entirely. Add lemon and lime slices, garlic, rosemary, bay leaf, and fresh thyme. You can use orange slices or any herbs of your choice. Make sure to close container tightly with lid and refrigerate. On a day of roasting, remove bird from brine, rinse in cold water, and pat dry. Season it with spices and seasonings. Roast bird until breath registers 120 degrees. That's for chicken, and for turkey, 160 degrees. And of course, don't forget the most important step. Rest it for at least 10 minutes. It will give you the flavor's juiciest meat ever. Simple and easy brine that you can put together in minutes. It's great for turkey, chicken. You can use this brine for the upcoming holidays to make turkey juicy and delicious. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes, and I will see you next time. Bye.